Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Londie London's rumored soon-to-be ex-fiance Hlubi has purchased a new set of wheels, you guys. Hlubi is rumored to have kicked the heavily pregnant Londie London out of their house and allegedly invited a new woman in the house he used to share with Londie London, is seen in a viral video on his Instagram celebrating his new wheels, you guys. Check out this video.